Speech by Bhargav Sai from 8th class. Please come on to the desk.
Good morning everyone. My name is Bhargav Sai. Respected principal, sir, madam, teachers and my dear friends. Firstly, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. Today we are celebrating 79th Independence Day. Independence Day is a national festival of India. On this day, 1947, India became independence from British rule. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Next speech by Prasanna T. Prasanna from 8th class.
Good morning everyone. My name is Prasanna. I am studying 8th class. First, I wish you very happy Independence Day. Independence
స్ట్రెంత్ పడాలంటారుగా
Independence
స్ట్రెంత్ కూడా పడాలి మన స్కూల్లో
of the India become British rule. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
ఓకే